Retrievers Part 2.
Yeah. Some of these you're getting, most of them have bios, there's a couple without it that are newly inducted.
Where are the newest ones?
This is one, I think this is, look at the back. Let's see.
I can't, it's hard to get.
MD Cotton Picking Cropper. Karen and Mitch Cropper. MD Cotton Picking Cropper is this dog's name.
The Cotton Picking Crop. These guys that look at this, they'll know these dogs.
Right, I'm sure they will. Now this is another Lindbergh Hunt painting.
He's kind of a handsome dog right there.
Mm.
There's some more.
This is kind of a famous one, King Buck. I mean,
She
all of
says-
them are famous. I think this one's
Yeah.
well known.
She says this dog's famous.
And
I like
plus,
him. He's got my kind of duck in his mouth.
I think that image made it to the federal duck stamp. That's why you got the ducks. I think that's
very nice.
a federal duck stamp image. And more black labs than you do any other in here.
You say there are more black labs than any other?
They dominate the ones that are in the Hall of Fame.
Sure. I did see some golden retrievers and some Chesapeakes.
And yellow lab. Here.
Yeah, and the yellow labs. I've always been fond of the yellow labs because I think they blend in.
Yeah, that's
There's
true.
a certain look to the black labs that's nice too.
This is forgotten the artist who did this one. This is River Oaks Corky. All of these trophies are from this dog, I believe. As I don't know if these are all the trophies the dog has won, but I believe this whole display is connected to River Oaks Corky.
I'm sure the guys will know all about him. Very nice.
That there's a couple around the corner here. This is the museum. This out of talked a guy out of this, and these are Hall of Famers. This fellow was from Waterford, Michigan, that donated these.
And if you don't like my video and it's not good enough for you, you just have to come here yourself. That's all we got for the retrievers.